Once upon a time, long ago, the skies over ancient Europe were filled with large and powerful birds with razor-sharp claws. They came to be known as birds of prey. The great birds of history would have had sweeping views across the mountain ranges and forests of the Iberian Peninsula, almost identical to the vistas laid out before the hunting birds that live in this part of Europe today. One of the most extraordinary images of Iberian wildlife, a scene that could be taking place in Africa. A flock of feeding vultures. In years gone by, the vultures would have been devouring the remains of wild animals. The equivalent feast to be had these days is the scavenging of farm animals found lying dead in pastures. The most common and the bravest is the griffon vulture, in flocks of as many as 500, fighting over the meat. In the middle of the last century, this eminent scavenger was on the brink of extinction. Fortunately, thanks to new conservation laws, the species has been able to recover its numbers in less than 50 years.